Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This week it's going to be a labor of love. That's what I consider my hair because it takes a whole day to wash it. So I'm going to show you the tools that I use to do my hair. That's my shampoo, my conditioner, and a heating cup. That's coming up next. I'm just waiting for it to show. Yeah, there we go. So I normally use two blow dries. This is the Revlon one, but I don't know why I think like it's fake because the bristles started to curve. So this is my hair. I hadn't washed my face, so if you see that, just don't judge. So the first thing I do is to pre-poo. I remember in 2020 when it was during lockdown, there was like this movement of like natural hair journey and I was on it. So there's this process of like washing your hair. It's pre-poo, shampoo, condition, deep condition. Like there's a whole process that I got on board with. So I usually pre-poo using the two oils that I've shown you. To be honest, every product that I show you, I can swear by it. Like it's been a journey for me to like get a product that works. And for me, like I've tried so many shampoos and I feel like some of them are not created for, you know, African or nappy hair or curly hair, you know, whatever you like to call it. So those products are for my black girl magic girlies. I was watching Real Housewives. That's why like I was in a whole different world. So to make my process easier, I separate my hair into four parts, and that makes it easier to wash. Yeah guys, my hair is extremely curly and I don't know how many times I shampoo, but I think I go in with my shampoo like 3 times at least, because I have like this, you know, like I have to like get all the dirt off. Next I'll be going in with my conditioner so it smells really nice. Then I do this thing where I go under the heating cup to like help the conditioner be absorbed or whatever in my hair. It was a lovely day outside, so this is just to create the aesthetics. This is how my hair looks after a few minutes under the heating cup. It's not yet done, so I'm going back in, and after like 20 minutes I think it was done. Now the next thing is to rinse off the conditioner because it wasn't a leave-in. And yes, the final result. This is how my hair looks after being washed. And next thing is the biggest hurdle, which is to like straighten it. So yeah, this is how it came out after like how many hours of straightening. So I'm preparing to go to the salon. This is how my hair looks like. I think I've tried to maintain it well. I need a cut. I have so much split ends, and yeah, so salon it is. I've booked an appointment at a new salon that I'm trying out, and it's all the way in Reading. So it's called Your Point Style Nation by Kimi. So yeah, so confirm attending. So today at 1:30. Yeah, let me now get going. I'll show you guys how I will look when I come back. I'll see you guys. If you haven't, I don't know if I've showed you, I'm going to use this Ula hair. This is my 3rd time or 4th time. I'm actually like a VIP member or something, buying from them. They're my like go-to hair brand. And so I'm going to get a sew in, and I don't know if you have, let me show you my color. I've already like don't know if you guys are hearing me, I've already unpacked them. So this is, I like having, what's it called, layering. So I bought, this is 14, 16, and I thought I'd be spicy this time, and I added like a blonde. I wanted it to be straight, but I can straighten it anyway. This is a 16 body wave. I wanted straight. I want to have like highlights, or have that highlight look in my hair. Let me show you guys the inspiration. It's from Pinterest, my inspiration. So it's something like this, but let's see. Okay, let me look like such, like have a highlight. Yeah, I hope you guys, because this is something new, I'm so nervous. I hope they deliver, because I don't want to spend that amount of money getting my hair done and it's not what I want. So I'll show you guys how it looks like after. And yeah, thank you for people who are keeping up with me. As I said when I started, I'm just doing this thing as an archive of like me, and there have been so many moments I'm like, I'm going to stop. Then I feel like my future self, and like, yeah, I just like that one day I might wake up and like watch myself when I was younger and what I was doing, and remember and have memories. Like, yeah, that's what I'm targeting. If it blows up, fine. If it doesn't, fine. I have to like go with the flow. But yeah, that's what I like about like this, and I like the process. Anyway, see you guys, and I'll show you how I will look like. And I'm sorry that I'm in your face, but yeah, that's the aspect ratio of my iPad. But see you.
If you're from the west side, Cali, born and raised right, from the town with the palm trees and good vibes, you know the best vibe, soaking up the sunshine. And we hustle cause we tryna live a good life. I'm driving down the coast, homies in the bag bumping loud. You know, we ain't got no worries. This my own. And I don't plan on leaving. There ain't nothing better than the west side. That's and right. I'm like, ooh, we on the map. We get the bag and then run it back. And I'm like, ooh, we on the map. We get the bag and then run it back. And I'm like, ooh, we on it. We know what's up. We on Boulevard.
Ladies, this is one for my sweet sugar dumpling. Watch me now. I told her. If I boom boom, sweet sugar dumpling. Hey, if I boom boom, let me tell you something. If party, she's my sugar dumpling. Come on, if party boom boom. Alright, but y'all know these songs.
Driving down the coast, homies in the bag bumping loud. You know, we ain't got no worry.
I do not know why I still do it, but this is like my second fear after like dentist appointment. Like, oh my god, it's so painful. So there was a gel on my eyes to like help with the pain.
We on the map, we get the bag and they run it back, and I'm like, oh, we on it. We know what's up. We on it. We know, and I'm like, oh, we on the map, we get the bag and they run it back, and I'm like, oh, we on the map, we get the bag and they run it back, and I'm like, oh, we on it. We know what's up. We on it. We know what's up.
So I bought this because I need to change the whatever, my electric toothbrush. Speaking of which, I have to check if it fits. So I bought this cuties. And I know they'll be beautiful. It's a 6-pack and I'm going to, so this one is going in the bin. I usually use mine, and guys, this was like my best purchase because I've been like planning to do this, then I forget. So dental floss, it's like I'm getting into this eco something, like eco-friendly. They're actually like flavored. Let's get into this. I don't know if I'll be able to pull it off, but let's try. I wanted something comfortable and cheap and something I'd be able to sleep in. This is a 3 set. Nowadays there is a 4 set that comes with a clip, but I didn't buy that. You know, I think I have to watch like a YouTube video, don't I, to see how this goes. I just hate buying something, then it doesn't turn out like, or it, like, I think it's too much work and I can't do it now. Maybe I'll try doing it another day. Then I'm showing you guys that I've bought this, and it comes with scrunchies, and I bought it in pink, obviously. Anyway guys, let me go shower. I know I have showed you guys a lot of stuff. I'm so tired. I've walked today. I've really walked, and I mostly live in frugality. Like, I'm a very frugal girl, and it's just like a once in a month or in a few months maintenance vlog. I don't usually spend this amount of money every month, and that's good. I needed to buy a few items. I needed to do my hair, I needed to do my eyebrows, everything, and it is a nice practice of self-care, because I feel like if you put yourself up to a certain standard, you'll also expect or entertain someone who holds themselves and also holds you to that standard. So it's actually a confidence booster, self-esteem booster. Like self-care is really the best way to start in terms of like accepting yourself and loving yourself and even wanting better for yourself. Because sometimes people entertain things they shouldn't because they don't love themselves. It's like a reflection of within. Even when it comes to a partner or something, if someone doesn't treat you better than you treat yourself, what are they doing in your life? They gotta go. So yeah, that's why I'll encourage you guys to like get into the practice of like maintaining yourself, self-care, and like if you can afford it, whatever you can, and it's within your budget. Obviously don't like overspend, and like, you know, for me, like I'm telling you guys, like it's something I had to save for. I knew I planned myself out. I knew I had to get this done, and even like before I got my hair done, like 2 months before, I knew the amount of money that I'd need to get my hair done, because things aren't that cheap. They're very expensive, especially for I'm just a girl. But yeah, just do it. If you can improve your life even in a simple kind of way, do it. It will actually improve who you are. And like I find like if you present yourself in a certain manner, like, oh my god, optics are still important. Like they are. You can never like tell me they aren't. So yeah guys, thank you for tuning in, and I hope you've seen how expensive it can be, and help your girl by sharing, liking and subscribing. And see you guys in my next vlog.